everybody, this is Praxis, and I'm going to be hand holding the camera for the video today, mostly because I've just been all over the house. It was raining at the beginning of the day today. The last couple hours have been sunny, so I've been able to do a little bit of outside work also. But I've just been, all the things that have accumulated, like all those rainy day projects that I've been piling up over the past couple of months, because we really haven't had any rain, I was doing all of them today. Starts right here with the bathroom sink. Yesterday I did a bead of silicone caulk around the sides of it. When I came in this morning, I took a knife and I cleared off the excess. With the knife, there was still some left over, so what I did is I took some vinegar. It was my understanding that vinegar kind of is a solvent for silicone, at least, before it's fully cured. So I took vinegar on some rags and was rubbing around the sides. From the looks of it, it seems like it worked pretty well. I was able to get all the sides cleaned up here, and then I put one extra fat bead of silicone glue over the back. It was just because of the way that it lined up. The sink was kind of close to the back. If I'd known the size of the sink that I was going to get before I built this thing, I would have made this this area maybe a little bit deeper, but I didn't, and there was just an area in the back that was going to be prone to getting junk clogged in there, so I put a little bead of silicone on the back. Now that that's there, I'm going to let that cure for a few days, and then I'm going to tongue oil all of the stone around it. I also did putty in all the holes for the trim. I'm going to sand that down. I'm still thinking about maybe staining this trim, the same kind of reddish color that all those floor joists are. But anyway, that was something I did this morning, and then we came over and went upstairs and did a lot of stuff upstairs. I'm going to bring you up there. It's mostly just wall boards. I waited to do these wall boards until, oh, you know what, actually there was something else I did. I almost forgot about it. Well, these wall boards are what I've been doing, at the end of the day, but prior to that, I'm not sure if you guys recall, but I had all of these little spacer things. Well, I don't know if you call them spacers, but they're fillers that go to at the top of each one of these bays. There are wires running up along the top up there, and I pre-made these. They're all sitting. In fact, there's one in the other room that I can't put in. It goes in right here where the wood stove is going to go in. We should really install the wood stove, or know what we're going to do for the wood stove before I put this in. Where is it? Oh no, I left it over here. Just all these guys. These things here, they just go right at the top. They're all pre-made. This one's got the screws in it, ready to go. I was able to put all those in, and I put wood putty in all the screw holes. And I went around and I took the belt sander and I did sanding, really aggressive sanding, final pass. I know it's not perfect, but final pass on all these things. Amber's been doing the floor. I hit all this stuff. Once this whole area is all done and sanded, we can stain the entire floor on this whole top floor. The only place we're not going to bother staining is inside the closets, because the same darkens it. Why bother to make the closet darker? Plus, it's just a closet, and you don't have to stain the floor in there. We are going to sand it down though to make it look a little better. So I got all those up. After that, the sun started coming out. It stopped raining. So then I started boarding up this entire wall here. I'm almost up to where the light fixture is. You can see there's a light fixture over here and a light fixture over here. I'm almost up to that point. And yeah, I just feel like I accomplished a lot of little things today. And they've been piling up, and it feels good. It feels good to nearly be done with this upstairs. It really just, I think it's that wall, and then sanding, finish the sanding, and then we start staining and sealing. So we're really close up here. That's it. That was today. Thanks for watching.